Hello everyone. I'm going to start trying something new, and I'd like for y'all to tell me how y'all enjoy this type of content. So, most of y'all know me for my railroad related content, but I genuinely love the Appalachian Mountains, and I'd like to start showcasing some of the fine stuff here. I'm in Estill County, Kentucky, specifically Ravenna, Kentucky, and this is the Fitchburg Furnace. They're in the Daniel Boone National Forest. This furnace was built in 1868 for iron ore used during the Civil War periods. If you'd want more information on that, more than glad to pause and read it. Here's a map. It roughly shows where we are at. A lot of cool history here. This is probably one of the largest, most intact 1800s iron furnaces left in the country. It is amazing just how intact it is. It is starting to crack a little bit, but that's expected for a stone structure that was built in the 1860s, or it was put into service in the 1860s. If you read that there, it says Red River Furnace, 1859, so that's when the construction began. Unfortunately, you can see there's a little bit of graffiti. Some people just must not appreciate history. It really is amazing just how intact everything is. There's also a little trail here that takes you up to the back side of the furnace. And this is the back side of the furnace. So that is the trail I just walked up. You can see they've got this area fixed up pretty nice where you can have a family picnic or just come hang out. As you can see, Estill County and Ravenna is in the eastern Kentucky mountains. A place I do genuinely love and have spent a lot of time in the past couple years. So, one more look at the furnace. A little information board that tells a little bit more about it. More than welcome to pause and read. Here's something you don't see much, my ugly mug. Let me know if y'all enjoy content like this, and I enjoy doing stuff like this. I genuinely enjoy exploring Appalachia, and I genuinely want to showcase all the neat things here that I can. So if y'all enjoy content like this, let me know. This might become a regular thing on the channel. One more look at the furnace. I'll see y'all next time.